Welcome friends to another DIY t-shirt cutting tutorial with me, Jenny. This kind of fashion is fun for when you're already wearing a bikini and you want to spruce up your outfit. This type of shirt could also be good for festival season, yoga workouts at home, hula hooping, etc. First, as always, I fold the shirt in half and cut slits down the back. After cutting down the back of the shirt, I make some slits down the front as well. This is where you can get creative and put slits basically anywhere you want. And in this particular case, I'm making cuts down the side and around the front. Once the shirt was on the mannequin, it was easier for me to refine my cuts, and also easier to show you weaving down the back. A while back, I finally invested in a little mannequin off of Amazon. It was not that expensive whatsoever, just I think 20 bucks or something. But it sure made cutting shirts a lot easier. I cut a tiny little hole at the top, through which you can see me pulling my first strand. It's really simple once you get the hang of this weaving, and I hope this will help you figure it out. You basically just take each strand and pull it up and through the one before it, and work your way down. All the way to the bottom, and then I just cut the last strand and tie it in knots on either side. This is honestly how I start all my shirts, and then I just decide where to go from there. You can add more rows of this weaving technique, as many as you would like. This shirt was already pretty tight fitting, so I did not do too many on this shirt. Here it is. I hope you like it, and if you enjoyed this video, check out my other t-shirt cutting tutorials. I think it's a simple and fun hobby, and I really enjoy making these YouTube videos. When I'm not making DIY t-shirt cutting videos, I also play video games, make 3D models, and other random stuff on my main channel. Hope to see you again soon. See you then. Bye.